Friends, how are you? By blessings to God, you are doing well. So this is Dr. Arthandu JENA, faculty member, PG Department of Business Management, Fakulty University, Besavier, Balasore, Odisha. Once again, I am welcoming to all of you to your channel, to my channel, Dr. A.B. JENA classes. Friends, आज हम discussion करेंगे तो 70 vital MCQs from corporate law. I have prepared the 70 vital MCQs as per the prescribed syllabus of SSB for the subject of commerce. So friends, it's the part 12. I have already posted the 11 parts as per the prescribed syllabus. So friends, आज का discussion will be very useful and fruitful होगा, not only for the semester examination in the subject of commerce, management, PMI and other related subjects and the law subject also. And so this discussion will be very useful and fruitful those who are going to appear the UGC NET JRF exams in the subject of commerce, management, law and other related subjects. So particularly in the semester examination, friends, you may get in term and examination, that is fill in the blanks true or false, write one or two sentences. So that's why आज का डिस्कशन विल बी, और आज का डिस्कशन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एंड एंजॉयबल होगा. सो आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू फ्रॉम बिगनिंग टू टिल एंड, काइंडली आप जरूर देखिए और एकेडमी का मजा लीजिए. सो इट्स माई एश्योरेंस डेफिनेटली यू विल एंजॉय एकेडमिकली and I am hopeful that you will give your best, not only the SSB examination but also in the सेमिस्टर एग्जाम. सो फ्रेंड्स, विदाउट डिले आज का डिस्कशन शुरू हो जाए. क्या बात है. एंड फ्रेंड्स, सो बिफोर डिस्कशन आई एम रिक्वेस्टिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू ड्यूरिंग द डिस्कशन इफ एनी मिसमैच और गैप you find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So friends, so before discussion I have already posted particularly in the corporate law 3 MCQs for the semester examination. I kindly go through the posted video, definitely you will know more and more. So first one MCQ क्या है, in which Joint Companies Act for the first time the laws recognize the concept of limited liability of the shareholders of a company, whether A. Joint Stock Companies Act 1850, B. It's Joint Stock Companies Act 1856, C. It's Joint Stock Companies Act 1857, D. It's the Joint Stock Companies Act 1956. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब Joint Stock Companies Act 1857 for the first time the act recognize the concept of limited liability of the shareholders of a company. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, our discussion is going on the, that is the corporate law. Friends, so corporate, it's also known as a company. So what is the meaning of a company? And friends, you will get so many bookish definition, but it's the popular definitions with regard to the company. So company is an association of a person who contributes the money or money is worth to a common stock, and this common stock will be employed it in some trade or business who shares the profits or loss. So definitely when there will be the employment of a common stock, definitely the project or business or trade will give you the profit or loss, and the profit and loss will be shared by the association, मतलब the person. So during the discussion, so we will discuss the various important concepts and terms with regard to the corporate law in case may be arising therefrom. So this definition has been given by the James Stephenson. So it's the popular definition. Friends, come to the second one, the New Companies Act is क्या है, whether it's 2012 or 2012, 2013, 2014, then 2015. So friends, so it's B is the right option for this MCQ. The New Companies Act is 2013, मतलब 2013 has already replaced the old Companies Act 1956. So next one, MCQ. The Indian Companies Act 2013 consists of how many sections? Whether it's 470, B it's 480, C it's 490, D it's 500. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The Indian Companies Act 2013 consists of 470 sections. So next one, how many schedules are divided in the Indian Companies Act 2013? Whether it's 5, B7, C8, D10. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब so 7 schedules are divided in the Indian Companies Act 2013. So next one हम देखेंगे which sections of Indian Companies Act deals with the allotment of a share. Whether the section 37, B section 38, C section 39, D section 40. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब section 39 of Indian Companies Act 2013 deals with the allotment of a share. So next one हम देखेंगे which meeting is not necessary to a private company. So A it's annual general meeting, B it's the statutory meeting, C it's the board meeting, D it's the creditors meeting. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the statutory meeting is not necessary to a private company. So friends, for your kind information, I have already posted three separate video. What is the difference between private company and public company, as well as the types of companies, as well as the nature and features of joint stock company. Kindly go through the posted video and you will know more and more. Also, I have already posted another video, the difference between that is the partnership firm and joint stock company, and the joint stock company and cooperative society. In very simple language, I have already discussed there. Kindly go through the posted video. So next one, the charter of the company is known as or called क्या है? Bylaws, B it's the prospectus, C it's the articles of association, D it's the memorandum of association. Friends, इन्हें आगे हम चर्चा करेंगे. So what is the meaning of prospectus, what is the meaning of articles of association, and what is the meaning of memorandum of association. Friends, for your kind information, I have already posted 3 videos with regard to what is the meaning of articles of association and what are the important contents of articles of association. Similarly, in another video, what is the meaning of memorandum of association and what are the important contents, मतलब the clauses of a memorandum of association. And another video also there, what is the basic difference between articles of association and memorandum of association. In a very simple language, I have already discussed there. Kindly go through the posted video. What is the meaning of a charter? So friends, so let's see what is this. The corporate charter or company charter, a written document establishing a company as a corporation and dealing with the governance, structure and operation. So it's the meaning of the charter. That is the regarding that is the written document which contains the rules and regulations. So next one, हम देखेंगे the ordinary regulation is passed as per which is sections of Indian Companies Act. Whether section 114 subsection 1, whether section 114 subsection 2, whether section 114 subsection 3, D it is section 114 and subsection 4. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. Ordinary regulation is passed as per the section 114 subsection 1 of Indian Companies Act 2013. So next one हम देखेंगे the special regulation is passed as per which section of the Companies Act. Whether it's section 114 subsection 1, ये कभी नहीं होगा. B it's section 114 subsection 2, then section 114 subsection 3, then section 114(4). No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the special resolution is passed as per the section 114 and section 2 of the Indian Companies Act. So next one हम देखेंगे the scope and functions of audit committee are laid down in which sections of the Indian Companies Act, whether section 177 subsection 1, B it's section 177 2, then section 177 subsection 3, D it's section 177 4. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The scope and functions of audit committee are laid down in section 177 of the Indian Companies Act 2013. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one, prospectus which does not include the particulars or information of the quantum or price of securities, so it's a typing double error included therein, and it is known as or called as a which types of prospectus, whether A it's the deemed prospectus, B it's the red herring prospectus, C it's the self prospectus, then D it's the averaged prospectus. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. A prospectus which does not include the particulars or information of the quantum or price of the securities included therein, it is called, what is this, what types of it's known as or called as a red herring prospectus. Friends, आइए हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of prospectus. So prospectus is a important and formal document of a company which is required by and filed with the Securities Exchange Commission (SEC) that provides or which provides the details about the investment offering to the public. So next one MCQ, which prospectus contains the summary of original prospectus in order to save the cost and time. A it's the golden prospectus, B it's the red herring prospectus, ये कभी नहीं होगा, then self prospectus, then D it's that is the average prospectus. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the average prospectus contains the summary of original prospectus in order to save the cost and time. So D is the right option for this MCQ. Authorized voting on behalf of the shareholder in his or her absence is known as, that fellow is known as क्या है, whether it's the managing director, it's auditor, it's proxy, D it's secretary. No doubt friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The authorized voting on behalf of the shareholders in his or her absence is known as a proxy, and the proxy will cast the vote on behalf of the shareholders in annual general meeting AGM of a company. So next one हम देखेंगे, the managing director holds which types of shares of a company. A it's equity shares, B it's the preferential shares, C it's the qualification shares, D it's the deferred shares. So friends, it's C is the right option for this MCQ. The managing director holds the qualification shares of a company as per the requirement of a memorandum of association. So आगे हम चर्चा करेंगे what is the meaning of qualification shares. So next one हम देखेंगे which or dash are a gist or summary of proceedings of a company meeting, whether A it's the minutes, B it's the proceedings, C it's the resolution, D it's the meeting records. No doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब minutes are a gist or summary of proceedings of a company meeting. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे the annual general meeting AGM. Friends, so AGM stands for, A stands for annual, G stands for general, M stands for meeting. The AGM of a company or of the company must be held within A it's a 6 months of incorporation, B it's 12 months from the date at which company is entitled to start its business, C it's 18 months of incorporation, D it's 18 months from the date at which the company is entitled to start its business. So friends, C is the right option for this MCQ. The annual general meeting of a company must held within 18 months of incorporation. So next one हम देखेंगे, the deferreds are also called which types of share. हम क्या बोल सकते हैं डेफर्ड शेयर को? ए इट्स बोनस शेयर, बी इट्स द फाउंडर शेयर, सी इट्स द इक्विटी शेयर्स, डी इट्स द प्रीफरेंस शेयर. सो फ्रेंड्स, बी इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस MCQ. द डेफर्ड शेयर्स आर कॉल्ड फाउंडर शेयर्स. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डेफर्ड शेयर. सो डेफर्ड शेयर्स आर दो शेयर्स which do not include any access to the assets of a business firm, that is, or a company that is going through bankruptcy, until all the equity shareholders and preference shareholders have been compensated. It's the meaning of a deferred share. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, which one acts as the official signature of a company. Whether it's a common seal, it's the special resolution, it's the legal entity, it's all the above. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So common seal acts as the official signature of a company. So next one हम देखेंगे, the sweat equity shares are issued to whom. Whether A, shareholders of the company, B, the creditors of the company, C, the promoter of the company, D, it's directors or employees of the company. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. So sweat equity shares are issued to directors or employees of the company. So D is the right option for this MCQ. फ्रेंड्स, आइए हम चर्चा करेंगे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्वेट इक्विटी शेयर्स. सो दीज आर दो शेयर्स व्हिच आर इशूड बाय ए कंपनी टू इट्स एम्प्लॉइज और एंड डायरेक्टर्स एट ए डिस्काउंट or for consideration other than cash or providing intellectual property rights. So it's the meaning of a sweat equity share. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, an ordinary resolution which is passed by dash of votes of the members. कितना परसेंट होना चाहिए? whether A it's 40%, B it's 51%, C it's 75%, D it's 100%. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. An ordinary resolution which is passed by 51% of votes of the members. So next one देखेंगे, a company should conduct at least how many board meetings in a year. Whether A 2, B it's 3, C 4, D 5. Friends, so C is the right option. मतलब a company should conduct at least 4 board meetings in a year as per the company's act or company law. So next one हम देखेंगे, minimum director in a public company कितना? Whether A it's 2 directors, B it's 3 directors, C it's 4 directors, D it's 5 directors. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. Minimum director in a public company is 3 directors. So next one हम देखेंगे, the gap between 2 board meetings must not be more than कितना दिन? A it's 60 days, B it's 90 days, C it's 120 days, D it's 150 days. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The gap between 2 board meetings must not more than 120 days. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, the document inviting offers from public to subscribe for the debenture or shares or deposits of a body corporate or company is known as क्या है? Whether it's a notice, B it's the prospectus, C it's the circular, D it's all the above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. If you will get the question what do you mean a prospectus, friends, you can note down or write down so this one. So दोबारा मैं रिपीट करता हूँ, the document inviting offers from public to subscribe for the debentures or shares or deposits of a body corporate, it's known as a prospectus. So B is the right option for this MCQ. The first director of a company is appointed as per which sections of the Companies Act, whether it's the section 150, B it's the section 151, C it's the section 152, D it's the section 153. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the first director of a company is appointed as per section 150 of Indian Companies Act 2013. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, the method of voting is to be followed in a board meeting of a company. कौन सा meeting? Whether by ballot, be it by showing the hands or hands, by proxy vote, D it's none of these. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The method of voting is to be followed in a board meeting of a company by showing the hands. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, preemptive rights of the shareholders is also known as a, हम क्या बोल सकते हैं, whether it's a bonus share, which the preferential right to get the dividend, C it's the right issue, D is the voting rights. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The preemptive right of the shareholders is known as the rights issue. So next one हम देखेंगे, the person can become director for how many companies, whether it's a 10, B it's 15, C it's 18, D it's 20. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब a person can become the director for 20 companies. So next one हम देखेंगे, a company in which that another company has the significant influences but which is not a subsidiary company of the company having much influences and included in a joint venture company, and that company is known as क्या है, whether one man company, B it's the associate company, C it's the dormant company, D it's the unregistered company. So friends, it's known as associate company. So associated company will hold at least 20% share of another company. So friends, kindly go through the posted video. I have already discussed the types of company. So I have discussed in detail there. So next one हम देखेंगे, the maximum number of members of a private company कितना maximum member, whether it's 50, B it's 100, C it's 200, D it's unlimited. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The maximum number of members of a private company is 200. Earlier in 1956 Companies Act, it was how much? 50. Now it has been enhanced to 200 in new Companies Act 2013. So next one हम देखेंगे, the minimum paid up capital of a company, of a public company जी कितना, whether rupees 1 lakh, B it's rupees 10 lakh, B C it's rupees 50 lakh, D it's rupees 1 crore. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The minimum paid up capital of a public company जी how much? It's rupees 1 lakh. But in the case of a private company, the minimum paid up capital is कितना, rupees 1 lakh. 1 lakh. So next one हम देखेंगे, the what is the meaning of paid up capital. So it is the amount of money which is received by a company, or it is the amount of money received by a company in selling its share to shareholders and investors directly through the primary market. So it's known as what is this paid up capital. The next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, the provisions relating to which company have been added as per the Indian Companies 2013 after the section 378 as 378A to 378ZU. कौन सा company, whether it's a one man company, B it's a producer company, C it's a dormant company, D it's the unregistered company. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The provisions relating to producer company have been added as per the Indian Companies Act 2013 after the section 378 as 378A to 378ZU. So B is the right option for this MCQ. A company is managed by a group of a person known as हम क्या बोलेंगे managers of the company, it's the equity shareholders of the company, C it's the board of directors of the company, D it's the promoters of the company. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. If somebody will put the question to what do you mean board of director, B or D, so your answer will be like this. So next one is DIN, DIN. DIN, what is the full form of DIN? So whether it's the director identity number, B it's the director identification number, C it's the debtor identification number, D it's the debtor identity number. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So D stands for director, then I stands for its identification, then N stands for number. So D stands for director identification number. So next one हम देखेंगे GIC, जनरल इंश्योरेंस कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कौन सा टाइप का कंपनी का एग्जाम्पल है, स्टेच्यूटोरी कंपनी, बी इट्स द रजिस्टर्ड कंपनी, सी इट्स द चार्टर्ड कंपनी, डी इट्स द फॉरेन कंपनी. सो फ्रेंड्स ये इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस MCQ. LIC, GIC, so these are the example of a statutory company. So General Insurance Company Corporation of India is the example of a statutory companies. So next one हम देखेंगे who can call the annual general meeting of a company, whether a shareholder, B it's the secretary, C it's the auditor, D it's the board of directors. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the board of directors can call the annual general meeting of a company. Who is so next one है हम देखेंगे a private company can be established by how many persons, कितना. We know the maximum member of a private company is 200 but the minimum member मतलब कितना आदमी होना चाहिए to start a private company, whether it's a 2%, 3%, C it's 5%, D it's the 7%. No doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So दो आदमी चाहिए to start a private company. So next one हम देखेंगे in the case of public company the quorum should consist of how many members. A it's no limit of members, B it's 5 members, C it's 50 members, D is A, B, C, D in serial, that is the error. So sorry for this. कितना member होना चाहिए to a quorum in the case of public company? No doubt friends, so B is the right option. मतलब in the case of a public company the quorum should consist of 5 members. That is the meeting will be valid. So next one हम देखेंगे how many members should sign MOA stands for क्या है, M stands for memorandum, O stands for of, A stands for association. Memorandum of association in a public company कितना आदमी और मेंबर चाहिए to sign in memorandum of association? 2 members, B 5 members, C it's 7 members, D it's the 9 members. So friends, so it's C is the right option for this MCQ. So 7 members should sign the MOA in a public company in order to start a public company. So next one, a general meeting of a company shall be called by giving the notice in writing not less than कितना दिन. A it's that is the 7 days, B it's 15 days, C it's 21 days, D it's 30 days. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. A general meeting of a company shall be called by giving the notice in writing not less than कितना दिन, 15 days, 15 दिन. Then A copy of every special resolution will be communicated or will be delivered to the register of the companies within how many days of its being passed. A, it's within 15 days, B, it's within 30 days, C, it's within 45 days, D, it's within 60 days. So friends, B is the right option for this MCQ. A copy of every special resolution will be communicated to the register within 30 days of its being passed. So B is the right option for this MCQ. Which sections of Indian companies are defined the term director? Whether section 231, B it's the section 2 and subsection 32, C it's the section 2 subsection 33, D it's a section 2 and a subsection 34 friends. So D is the right option for this MCQ. D मतलब सेक्शन 2 एंड सब सेक्शन 34 ऑफ इंडियन कंपनीज एक्ट 2013 डिफाइन द टर्म डायरेक्टर. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे ऑल्टरेशन ऑफ मेमोरेंडम इज टू बी सर्टिफाइड बाय रजिस्टर विद इन हाउ मेनी डेज, कितना दिन के अंदर में, वेदर 30 days, B it's 60 days, C it's 90 days, D it's 120 days. So friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The alteration of a memorandum is to be certified by register within 30 days. A is the right option. So friends, what is the meaning of a memorandum of association? So our memorandum of association क्या है? Memorandum of association represents, friends, M stands for memorandum, O stands for of, A stands for association. Memorandum of MOA represents the charter of the company and a legal document. It defines the company's relationship with the shareholders and specifies the objectives for which the company has been formed. It's the meaning of a memorandum of association. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे. An independent director holds the office for a term up to dash consecutive years on the board of the company. Whether A it's 2 consecutive years, B it's 3 consecutive years, C it's 4 consecutive years, D it's 5 consecutive years. So friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. An independent director holds the office for a term up to 5 consecutive years. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे कौन सा डॉक्यूमेंट है और which document contains the rules and the regulation to manage the internal affairs of the company. We have already discussed, friends, no doubt A will be the right option for this MCQ. AOA मतलब friends articles of association contains the rules and the regulation to manage the internal affairs of the company. So memorandum of association, it's a, that is the charter or the constitution of the company. So next one हम देखेंगे अल्ट्रा वायरस मीन्स क्या है. Whether it's a legal obligation based beyond the power, C it's within the power, D it's the appointment of directors. No doubt friends, B is the right option for this MCQ. The ultra virus means क्या है, beyond the power. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे NCLT stands for क्या है और what is the full form of NCLT? It's the National Commission Law Tribunal, B it's the National Company Legal Tribunal, C it's the National Company Law Tribunal, D it's the National Company Law Trust. So friends, so it's C is the right option for this MCQ. So NCLT stands for National Company Law Tribunal. C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ, a public company limited by share may adopt the dash as its AOA मतलब articles. Whether A table A, B table C, C it's table D, D it's table A. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. A public company limited by share may adopt the table A as its articles for the registration of its company. So Companies Act provides such facilities or provision to a public company. फ्रेंड्स सो ए इज द राइट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस MCQ. सो नेक्स्ट वन हम देखेंगे द रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ आर्टिकल्स इज नॉट नेसेसरी फॉर फ्रेंड्स वी हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस नो डाउट फ्रेंड्स. सो इट्स इज द डी इज द राइट ऑप्शन मतलब पब्लिक कंपनी. सो रजिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ आर्टिकल्स इज नॉट नेसेसरी for the public for a public company. So D is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, so which clause is not included in the memorandum of association? So whether it's the liability clause, B it's the asset clause, C it's the capital clause, D it's the subscription clause. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब the assets clause is not included in the memorandum of association. So I will have the request to all of you kindly go through the posted video. So I have already discussed what is the meaning of memorandum of association and what are the important contents of memorandum of association. So next one हम देखें prospectus is issued only by कौन सा टाइप का कंपनी, whether it's the public one, B it's the private company, C it's the unlimited company, D it's both B and C. No doubt friends. So A is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, we have already discussed what is the meaning of a prospectus. So prospectus is issued only by a public company in order to sell its share, debenture or other securities. So next one हम देखेंगे AMOA regulates the relationship of company with whether insiders, B it's outsiders, C it's the board of directors, D it's both A and C. No doubt friends. So B is the right option for this MCQ. Friends, we have already discovered what is the meaning of MOA. So MOA regulates the relationship of company with outsiders. So next one हम देखेंगे the board of directors of a company shall consist of A partnership firm, B it's individual, C it's the limited liability partnership firm, D it's company. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. The board of directors of a company shall consist of individual. So B is the right option for this MCQ. So next one MCQ हम देखेंगे which clause of memorandum of association cannot be altered. Very vital. Whether it's the liability clause, B it's the capital clause, C it's the subscription clause, D it's A. So it's the in serial that is the problem. So it's A, it's a B, it's a C and a D. So friends, so it's a so D is the right option for this MCQ. The association clause of a memorandum of association cannot be altered, but the liability clause, capital clause and the subscription can be or easily altered or changed. So next one MCQ देखेंगे the rules for governing the calls on shares are mentioned in which document of a company, whether it AOE, B it's a memorandum of association, C it's prospectus, D it's a none of the above. Friends, so it's A is the right option for this MCQ. The rules for governing the calls on shares are mentioned in articles of association of a company. So next one हम देखेंगे every subscriber of the memorandum is supposed to take at least कितना कितना शेयर with the known limit of shares, B it's 1 share, C it's 5 shares, D it's 10 shares. So friends, it's B is the right option for this MCQ. It's known as what is this? That is the qualification of shares. So every subscriber of the memorandum is supposed to take at least कितना, that is 1 share. So B is the right option for this MCQ. Share warrants can be issued only by कौन सा टाइप का कंपनी, whether it's the public companies, B it's the private companies, C it's the unlimited companies, D it's both A and B. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. फ्रेंड्स आइए हम चर्चा करेंगे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ शेयर वारंट्स. सो शेयर वारंट व्हाट इज दिस? इट इज ए डॉक्यूमेंट एंड नेगोशिएबल इंस्ट्रूमेंट इशूड बाय ए कंपनी. CEO स्टैंड्स फॉर क्या है फ्रेंड्स? सो इट्स कंपनी अंडर इट्स कॉमन सील स्टेटिंग दैट इट्स बियरर इज इंटाइटल्ड to the share or stocks specified therein. So it's the meaning of a share warrant. And dividend warrant, so it's friends the common question. What is, you may get the question, what do you mean by the share warrant, what do you mean by the dividend warrant, and what is the basic difference between the share warrant and a dividend warrant. So dividend warrant, it is a document which shows that a shareholder is entitled to get the dividend from the company profit. The dividend coupon will be given to the shareholder in the situation in order to get the dividend. It's a, now friends, now very clear what is the meaning of share warrant and what is the meaning of a dividend warrant. And next one MCQ हम देखेंगे, any change in the address of a registered office of a company must be communicated to the register of the company within how many days, whether it's a 7 days, be it's the 15 days, C it's 30 days, D it's the 45 days. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. Any change in the address of a registered office of a company must be communicated to the register within 30 days. So next one हम देखेंगे, the listed companies are to appoint how many female director or directors within 6 months of the company's registration, whether A 1, B 2, 3, C, D 5. Friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. The listed companies are to appoint at least one female directors within 6 months of the company's registration. So A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, which document define the rights and obligations of the company, whether it's a prospectus, B it's the articles of association, C it's the memorandum of association, D it's the all of the above or all of. So friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब memorandum of association clearly define the rights and obligations of a company. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे, the time limit for conduct the statutory meeting of a company is कितना, what is the time period, time limit, whether A it's 1 to 3 months, B it's 1 to 6 months, C it's 1 to 9 months, D it's 1 to 12 months. So friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. The time limit for conducting the statutory meeting of a company, it's 1 to 6 months, and the statutory meeting is a must to a public company, and the statutory meeting is not necessary to a private company. आइए फ्रेंड्स हम चर्चा करेंगे व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ statutory meeting. So a public company limited by share or a guarantee company having share capital required to hold a statutory meeting. Such statutory meeting is held only once in the lifetime of the company, and such meeting must be held within the period of not less than 1 month or within a period not more than 6 months from the date on which is entitled to commence its business. It's the meaning of a statutory meeting and the time period to conduct the statutory meeting. So next one हम देखेंगे, what is the minimum duration of interval between two successive calls on a share, whether it's 15 days, B it's 1 month, C it's 2 months, C it's 3 months. Friends, so it's B is the right option for this MCQ. The minimum duration of interval between two successive calls on a shares is 1 month. So first the company will call what is this, or get the application money, then the company will call what is this, the allotment call money, then the first call money, it may be the second and final call money. In this way the company will call the amount from the shareholders, and the shareholder will pay as per the calling of the company. So friends, so here B is the right option for this MCQ. In the case of equality of votes, who can cast the deciding vote? Who can cast the deciding vote? Whether it's the manager, it's secretary, it's the director, D it's the chairman. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. In the case of equality of votes, the chairman of the company can cast the deciding vote. So next one हम देखेंगे the order of a compulsory winding of a company. Winding of the company means मतलब क्या, dissolution or the close down of company is given by whom? A, it's the directors of the company. B, it's the owner of the company. C, it's the national company law tribunal. D, it's the central government. Friends, so C is the right option for this MCQ. The order or the national company law tribunal gives the compulsory winding of the direction to a company. So C is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे companies established under the special act of parliament or any other state legislature is called or known as कौन सा type का company, whether it's the public company, it's the registered company, C it's the statutory company, D it's the chartered company. So friends, C is the right option for this MCQ. The companies established under the special act of parliament or any other state legislature is known as statutory companies. So next one, the interim dividend is declared by whom? Whether a auditor, B it's the board of directors, C it's the secretary, D it's all the above. Friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. So friends, for your kind information, I have already posted one video, what is the meaning of dividend and what are the different types of dividend. Kindly go through the posted video and you will know more and more. So next one हम देखेंगे East India Company is an example of which kind of a company, which types or which kinds of a company. Whether it's the chartered company, B it's the foreign company, C it's the registered company, D it's the holding company. No doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So next one हम देखेंगे a public company can commence its business only after getting the कौन सा टाइप का सर्टिफिकेट, after getting A it's the certificate of incorporation, B it's the certificate of commencement of business, C it's the registration certificate, D it's all the above. No doubt friends, so B is the right option for this MCQ. A public company can commence its business only after getting the certificate of commencement of business. So next one हम देखेंगे the private company can commence or start its business only after getting कौन सा सर्टिफिकेट, बी कभी भी नहीं होगा, whether certificate of incorporation or C it's a registration certificate. No doubt friends, so A is the right option for this MCQ. So देखते देखते we have already discussed the 69 vital MCQs. So from the corporate law, it's the last but not the least. The question is based on that is GDR. So it's based on GDR. So GDR stands for Global Depository Receipts. GDR. Friends, so G stands for what is this? Global. D stands for depository. R stands for receipts. What is this? Which sections of Indian Companies Act 2013 has the provision for global depository receipts? So whether section 2 and subsection 41, B it's the section 242, C it's the section 243, D it's the section 2 and subsection 44. Friends, so D is the right option for this MCQ. मतलब section 2 and subsection 44 of Indian Companies Act has the provision for global depository receipts. So friend, आइए it's the common question, what is the meaning of GDR? By issuing the GDR, the companies, so they are getting it, that is the medium term and the long term financial, or the companies, so they meet the medium and the long term financial requirements. So it's a GDR. It's a negotiable financial instrument which represents the share in a foreign company. It's the meaning of GDR. So friends, so these are all about the 70 vital MCQs from the corporate law and as per the prescribed syllabus of SSP for the subject of commerce. So I am requesting to all of you During the discussion, if any mismatch or gap you will find, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. And friends, I am requesting to all of you, kindly you share it, kindly you forward it, kindly give your valuable comment and suggestion in the comment section. So last but not the least, I am requesting, if you have not subscribed my channel, kindly you subscribe it. So thanks a billion to all of you.